first introduced to robotics and coding, I was really intrigued. Over the span of 2 years, I have greatly improved my skills in the earlier unexplored area of robotics and coding. We have built several projects like rubber band powered catapults, which are really fun to build.
We have always looked forward to these sessions. This year, we had a new concept, VidPro. It is like a controller in which we ourselves have to enter the code. It was amazing getting hands-on experience on how to do coding. I truly enjoy coding.
Robotics helps me find solutions and break bigger problems into smaller steps. My robotics teacher clears all our concepts and teaches us very well.
I feel excited to learn robotics in school and also feel curious to learn how to build new things.